Meanwhile, an update on the state of a public emergency now underway in sections of St. James. Assistant Commissioner of Police Elon Powell, while highlighting the success of the operation, expressed concerns about the traffic chaos in the Montego Bay city centre. He was speaking at a public forum hosted by the St. James Municipal Corporation.
Police and military posts. It's the new normal for sections of St. James, once plagued by crime and violence. The criminals have not gone entirely silent, but the presence of the security forces has placed a dent on their murderous escapades. According to Assistant Commissioner of Police Elon Powell, from January 18 to April 12, there have been 14 murders. In the same period last year, that figure stood at 62. Shootings, he also reported, are down 60%. There were 20 for the period January 18 to April 12, 2018. Last year, during the same period, the figure stood at 49. Of the 20 shootings this year, he noted that 6 of the shootings happened in one incident.
We have seized 28 firearms and 1,400 rounds of ammunition. That could be 1,400 lives or more. We have not found all the guns or in the quantity that we'd like to find them, but I give thanks for every mercy. And 28 is 28 off the street and in safe custody. Apart from that, amongst those 28 were 10 rifles, AK-47 and M16 rifles. Those are not things that should be hanging around the streets.
He further added that 94 persons were arrested and charged for various crimes. Now, while the police have been cracking down on murders and shootings in several St. James communities, they also have illicit activities in the Montego Bay city centre under their radar. ACP Powell reported that the police wrote 11,000 traffic tickets.
It was not aimed at collecting revenue, but it was aimed at correcting behavior. Prior to that, we believe that the Road Traffic Act was not meant for St. James. We are reminding everybody here that it was meant for us, and we should obey it. When this just started and we went on the streets, people never stopped at stoplights. You don't stop in the intersections. You overtook everywhere. You don't license your vehicle. You run robots. It was chaos. Our aim is to bring order to the city.
910 vehicles were also seized. Kimon Witter, TVJ News.